Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back. We're going to be doing another install video today. I'm going to be installing a pair of these SumoSprings bump stops. It's more of a quality of life thing. Not really necessary, but if you've ever been fully loaded going down a trail or going down the highway and then smacking a fat bump, you'll feel it if you have the stock OEM bump stops. This is what all the stuff looks like that comes in the kit. Bracket, 2 springs, bracket, Loctite. I'm just gonna go ahead and Loctite this up right now because I'm on a 2-inch lift, so there's a bit of a gap that's gonna be there. If you're not lifted, you're gonna have to jack this up just to get some space in between the frame and the OEM bump stop. I'll show you when we're under there. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. So there's 4 bolts here that you have to remove. Pretty simple. And then you just take off the old bump stop. Well, that's broken. Oof. So here are the 2 different bump stops. OEM, Sumo, big difference. The main thing is when you come down on the OEM one super hard, it's just, you just smack that and you'll feel that. The Sumo bump stop is progressive, so it'll hit and then squoosh down and you'll just, you'll float. And then for everyone that's worried about articulation, once this thing settles and squeezed all the way down, it goes to about to where the OEM bump stop is already, so you won't lose any articulation. So like I said, I'm on a 2-inch lift, so there's going to be a little bit of a gap on top of this. If you're not lifted at all, you might have to jack the truck up just to be able to fit this in there. So you got that on. Now all that's left is to torque this down to spec. I'll be really honest with you guys, it's all over the place if you look it up online. I've seen 73, 80, 85, 100, 120. The general consensus is 85, so that's what I'm going with. So after it's all torqued down and all said and done, that's what it looks like in there. See, there's about a 2-inch gap right there just because I'm on a 2-inch lift. These bump stops should help a little bit when they're weighed down with camping gear, full up on water and everything. This fly is attacking me. It's just rinse repeat for the other side, and you guys should be good to go. I hope you guys found this helpful. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them in the comment section. And make sure to subscribe for more content. See you guys later. Peace.